back to another Tequila Tuesday. Today we're going to switch it up a little bit with the holidays upon us. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho.
We have a sweet treat to share in case you need to share this with your family at Christmas time. Today we're going to introduce you to our favorite sweet treat, Licor 43.
We found this sweet treat down at our favorite beach bar in Englewood, the Lock and Key at happy hour. Florida natives call it beach beer. Here in Ohio, they call them little beers.
I prefer the name beach beer, but who wouldn't? It's the beach. So honestly, I always call them beach beers, and bartenders always think I'm nuts. So I got to refer to them as the little beers. They have several different mixtures. Today we're going to try the beach beer with the heavy whipping cream. And then we're going to do the dirty beer with the Baileys. So, are you ready to mix them up?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Yum. Before we get started, I wanted to show you our cute little ornamental shot glasses. They are shot glasses, so yeah. So what we're gonna do is Doug's gonna pour the Licor 43, hopefully steadily, into our little teeny tiny shot glasses here.
Got the hands of a surgeon.
Don't fill it up too much. Okay, and then I'm going to fill the rest of it with the whipping cream. I think they use like a little spoon or something to do this, but we're not going to do that for the full effect, but you'll get the idea. And I might have poured a little too much in there, but see, this is where you get the, why they call it, oops, making a mess all over the place.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll look it up. This is why they call it like little beers. If you could see, it looks like little teeny tiny beers. How cool is that? So
good.
Alrighty, here's to our beach beers.
Beach beers.
Mmm.
43 has a unique flavor. It's really, really good.
It is so good, and it's sweet. So that's why we can only do 2 today. You're gonna have to check back.
Her sugar would be off the charts.
Oh yeah, I'd be into a diabetic coma. So, and then we're gonna add the Baileys. And this is what we call the dirty beer, because you'll see the effect of why they call it a dirty beer. All right. They do have other mixers as well that you can mix, I guess, with like coffee. I'm not a coffee fan, but they say coffee is good with it as well.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Alrighty, here's to the dirty beer. See, it kind of looks a little more skankier than the little beach beer. So it is good though. Oh,
yummy.
So good. And the Baileys just adds that extra kick to it. So
it's like eating dessert.
Then if it's too kind of,
oh my gosh, you are going to go into diabetic.
I know. Milk mist. Anyways, we hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and here's to an awesome New Year. Don't forget to check back to see what other flavors we're gonna mix with our Licor 43. And don't forget, we're in and around Columbus, Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.
See ya.
Bye.
Next Tuesday.